There's a difference between going to school at 18 and going to school at 28. My name is Colin Sabie. I'm originally from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm a junior in UND's mechanical engineering program, and I was in the U.S. Army. My first semester at UND was in fall of 2009. But after 3 semesters, I realized that I wasn't quite ready for it yet, so I decided to join the military. I was stationed in New York in 10th Mountain Division. I was 1st and 2nd Brigade there, and then I deployed to Afghanistan, and then I deployed to Iraq. For me, the military was it was a sure thing. I spent a lot of time doing maintenance on UAVs, and the setup seemed very counterintuitive to me. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I looked at something, well, why the heck would someone design something like this? I was like, okay, well, what's a field that kind of deals with that? And that's mechanical engineering. UND is a very veteran-friendly school. The folks in the Veterans Office, they've been very helpful, just trying to figure out what paperwork I needed. Jessica or James or anyone working there, they probably answered some very silly questions that I could have found online, but they were available, and they were more than helpful in getting me the stuff I needed to know and getting me the help I needed. UND has been a good fit for me. I've really liked my time in the engineering program, and I remember my first semester back, Physics 1 thought that was the hardest thing I was ever going to have to do in my life, and well, it wasn't in retrospect. There were a lot of times I was in the offices of different professors and TAs. I got help from other folks that were in the military that kind of put stuff in a different way that I could understand it. And when I was given the chance to do that at the Veterans Center, that was my chance to kind of do the same for someone else, because I know it can be hard for some people who, like me, might not have a traditional way of understanding things, and I might be able to help someone how I was helped, and I think that's a good thing to kind of pay it forward. If I had to do it all over again, picking a school and a major, I would do exactly the same thing. I'd come back to UND for mechanical engineering.